Arts and Entertainment 101, Arts, Entertainment, and Recreation. Arts and entertainment encompass a broad spectrum of creative activities and experiences that provide aesthetic pleasure, emotional engagement, intellectual stimulation, and cultural enrichment. Here's a breakdown of what each term covers. Arts. The arts refer to a diverse range of human activities in creating visual, auditory, or performing artifacts that express the creator's imagination, conceptual ideas, or technical skill. The arts can be categorized into several major types. 1. Visual arts. These include painting, sculpture, photography, drawing, and other visual media. They are primarily concerned with creating images or objects that are appreciated for their beauty or emotional power. 2. Performing arts. These include theater, dance, music, and other performances. Performing arts involve live presentations where the artists use their body, voice, or instruments to convey artistic expression. 3. Literary arts. These include poetry, novels, short stories, and other written works. Literary arts focus on written expression and the use of language to convey stories, ideas, and emotions. 4. Culinary arts. This is the art of preparing, cooking, and presenting food. It combines creativity with skill to produce dishes that are not only delicious but also aesthetically pleasing. 5. Decorative arts. These include ceramics, furniture design, textiles, and other objects that are both functional and beautiful. 6. Digital arts. This encompasses art created using digital technology, including graphic design, animation, video games, and digital installations. Entertainment. Entertainment refers to activities that provide amusement, enjoyment, or diversion, often involving an audience. Entertainment can be both live and recorded and spans various forms, including 1. Movies and television. These are major forms of entertainment, providing stories, drama, comedy, documentaries, and more through visual media. 2. Music. This includes live concerts, recorded albums, radio, and streaming services that offer a wide range of musical genres and performances. 3. Theater and performing arts. Live performances, including plays, musicals, stand-up comedy, and dance, are traditional forms of entertainment that engage audiences directly. 4. Sports and games. Watching sports events, participating in sports, and playing games are popular entertainment activities that provide excitement and engagement. 5. Literature and reading. Books, magazines, and online articles offer entertainment through storytelling, information, and commentary. 6. Gaming. Video games, board games, and puzzles offer interactive entertainment that can be enjoyed individually or with others. 7. Amusement parks and attractions. These include theme parks, fairs, circuses, and other venues designed to entertain people with rides, shows, and activities. 8. Social media and online content. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media provide endless entertainment through user-generated content, vlogs, memes, and more. Intersection of arts and entertainment. Often, arts and entertainment overlap. A movie, for instance, can be both a work of art and a source of entertainment. Similarly, a music concert is a form of artistic expression that entertains audiences. This intersection enhances the richness and diversity of human cultural experiences. Both arts and entertainment play crucial roles in society by reflecting cultural values, providing a means of expression, fostering community, and offering escapism and enjoyment.